Seeing device not eligible for requested action on Straight Talk usually means there's a problem with your device's IMEI or its eligibility for unlocking or activation. This often happens when trying to activate a device, insert a SIM card, port a number, or check the IMEI. Common reasons include the device being locked to another carrier, flagged for theft or unpaid bills, or simply being incompatible with Straight Talk's network. Straight Talk checks your phone's IMEI against a database to ensure it's not blocked due to loss, theft, or unpaid carrier debt. You can usually verify your IMEI by dialing NAS6 on your phone or using Straight Talk's online tool. First, ensure your device meets Straight Talk's eligibility criteria. It must be fully paid off, active on their network for at least 6 months or 12 for some models, and not flagged for any issues. Try basic troubleshooting steps. Perform a factory reset on your device, or check for and install any available software updates. Contact Straight Talk support at 1-800-878-7000. Provide proof of purchase and mention if the device was previously on another carrier. If the device was previously on another carrier, you may need to request an unlock code from the original carrier. Avoid third-party unlocking services, as they can void warranties or lead to legal issues. For secondhand phones, provide receipts and ownership documentation.